Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to claim tax refund online UK search and access. Type Claim Tax Refund Online UK in your browser and click the Jovi UK result. Check eligibility on the page. You'll see reasons you might qualify, like overpaid tax from a job, pension, self-assessment, foreign income, or job expenses. Start the claim select Start Now, then answer what you overpaid tax on, e.g., job, and specify the time frame. Sign and log into your personal tax account using your government gateway ID. Follow your custom steps. You'll then be guided through personalized steps based on your situation. Receive refund and timeline. Online claims are usually paid within 5 working days. Paper forms may take longer, often several weeks. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.